Create self-signed certificate with subjectAltName to fix missing underscore subjectAltName in Chrome 58+. I'm trying to create a self-signed certificate for localhost containing subjectAltName to satisfy Chrome 58+. CreaCyCertificate.sh. Server underscore CSR.text. call./CreaCyCertificate.sh. But Chrome 58 still refuses the certificate. This is the output of openssl rec/in./nging/ssl/server.csr no out text. Thus, the subject alternative name information seems to exist in the CSR. On the other hand, openssl x509 text in./nging/ssl/server.crt no out outputs. The .crt doesn't contain the subject alternative name.
While reading the documentation for subjectAltName, I noticed that my certificate has shown version column 1, while the documentation show version column 3. To get a version 3 certificate, I specified the Xfile option. v3.ext looks like this. When running, openssl x509 text in./nginx/ssl/server.crt no out. Again, the certificate now also contains the subject alternative name section. I also created a blog post. If you want to add 127.0.0.1, you must write. If you add DNS.1 equals 127.0.0.1, Chrome will return _cert_common_name_invalid. Thanks to Adrabar for pointing this out in the comments.
In Windows, save the script in your SSL folder as makecert. The self-signed certificate it makes will satisfy Chrome Ver 58+ requirement for SAN, subject alternative name. This script will create these files example.cnf, example.crt, example.key.
I updated Swilson's batch file to remove the com stuff since localhost doesn't really have that, and I want a self-signed localhost SSL certificate for development. I also added a few additional files like a pfx and pen.key file.
Stuff like this always goes in /user/local/bin. I got this from this URL.